Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You will start by preparing the essentials. Charge the phone, connect to the internet, and confirm the Google account linked to the device. Once done, attempt a smart lock or fingerprint if set. Those can bypass the password quickly. If biometrics fail, use a separate device to visit your Google account recovery. Follow prompts to verify identity. Make sure to note recent passwords and devices used, because Google checks that history to allow a safe, verified reset. Once you open the recovery page on another device, enter your Google email and follow the verification steps. Google will ask about recent activity or send codes to backup contacts. If you have access to the backup phone or email, retrieve the code and enter it immediately. Codes expire. When prompted to reset, choose a unique password you can remember, ideally a passphrase. Make sure to update password managers and, if available, re-enable two-factor authentication for stronger protection after the reset. After resetting your Google password, sign into the phone and sync, check settings for security lock methods, and reconfigure biometrics. If the phone still won't accept the new credentials, use recovery mode to perform a factory reset. This erases data, so use it only as a last option. If you encounter errors, confirm the phone's network connection, retry account verification, and consider calling the device manufacturer with proof of ownership. In most cases, persistence with
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.